Hello, my friends, followers, listener, and dear traders and traders profit house followers. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Today, going to show you one more live account our boot trading. Our bot EA is working auto, and look here, the profit of today is $30.97. Let me show you the last week with deposit $100 and the profit is $291. 150 is withdrawal. And the last month is our withdrawal is $801 and deposit $280 and the profit is $856. Here is the all boom and crush index only running the boot. So if you are interested, the $40 is price. Simply text me, I will forward your robot with one account license. Okay, I hope you all guys understand, and once you buy this robot you will enjoy trading. It's all auto trading, auto buy, stop, auto limit, auto all things. Okay, so simply order your copy and enjoy your trading. Thanks for watching.